Hi, we are here at the Karakoram Highway. This is the KHUNJERAB National Park, and this is a checkpost. Here, checkpost office KNP. So we just had to identify ourselves for a registration so that we can enter the road finally to the China border. Hey, Chaudhry Sahab.
Yeah.
Drones, what's that?
No, here not allowed.
Not here or the whole track?
Whole track is not.
Huh? To check it.
Oh, no problem.
Huh? Let me check. No drone zone. Ah, okay. Okay, good. What did he said?
He said he is a foreigner. No, he's a Pakistani.
Okay. So let's go. Finally. Hunting is not allowed. Oh, I want to see this tiger. Oh, if we can see it, this will be awesome. Natural tiger. Mountain tiger, huh? Mountain cat. Hello. We are on the Karakoram Highway. 4,500 meters above sea level. I'm a little bit tired. Here is almost no oxygen. No oxygen. So, speaking is difficult. Here's the Pindi boy. Mashallah, good driver. You bring me to the China border and back, yeah? In one piece. Inshallah. Hey, Mr. Dubai.
Hey.
You had a good sleep?
Yes.
You became tired because of less oxygen, huh?
Less oxygen.
Yeah, but no, he is a little bit better, I think. Yeah, this area looks very beautiful. So, there we go. A little bit the window. Oh, it's so cold. Close the window. It's record from inside. It's very cool. Yeah, these are also 6,000–7,000 meter mountains, you know.
Yeah.
Very high, man. Very beautiful.
In winter they are full of snow.
Yeah. There's a station.
No, this is a China.
This is the China border?
Yes.
Wow. So behind that mountain is China. Huh?
Yeah, that's mountain.
So when this is the gate,
Yes.
then behind this is China.
China stop.
So hey, we see China now with our eyes.
We arrived.
Oh, we drink a tea?
Yeah.
Do they have
Yes.
tea?
No,
No tea?
No. No.
nothing.
Nothing.
No anything available.
Nothing available.
Yes.
They don't have a McD here? Burger King, Pizza Hut,
Nothing.
KFC,
No.
no Lahori Nashta,
No. Nothing.
no Pindi Toria. Ah, look, there's a glacier. This is the China border. Finally,
Finally.
Oh shit.
we have reached the farthest destination.
Highest border in the world.
Highest border in the world and the farthest destination from our trip. Awesome. nice visit at the Pak-China border. It's a nice tourist attraction. I think maybe the highest border in the world. Over 15,000 feet, 16,000 feet. I don't know. So incredible how they built the border here. Incredible. But still finally they managed it. My guide?
Yes.
How
How's
are
feeling?
you? Yeah. Slowly I want to move back, less oxygen.
Just your lips.
Yeah, your lips also.
Also like this.
Yes, but mine is more. I think
I think 15,000.
15 to 16,000 feet, yeah. 4,600
This
feet.
is the very world biggest border in the world.
It's the highest border.
Highest, yeah.
Highest border.
There's so
Okay,
many
then I would
tourists.
say
So we are going back.
can go back. Okay, it was nice to see China with my eyes.
Yes.
This is China, you see? Oh, this is China. Yeah. So I have seen China with my eyes. So China, take care. Okay, we are now back on the Karakoram highway. Just left the China border. I'm so glad we are driving down to normal heights. And normal heights in this area, in this region is 2,000 meters. 2,000 meters above sea level is a normal height here. But this is extreme conditions. It's not easy. I'm so glad that we did it, and I'm so glad that we drive down. Our next target is the Husseini Bridge. Yeah. How long is the journey? 3 hours? Yeah, around 2-3 hours maybe. But it's a good road, and I will enjoy the ride. You can also enjoy it a little bit for a minute. Check the view.